Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a friend on your Nintendo Switch with a user code. And this is easy to do. So I'm just on the home screen here. Let's go up to the top left and go to my page. I'm Timothy. I'm going to go to Timothy's page. So under here, I want to scroll up to Profile and then look at Friend Code. So under my name, next to my picture where it says Friend Code, it's going to be SW5612. 09484302. That is my friend code. I want to go ahead and take a picture of this or remember this and send this in a message to a friend. And once they receive this, they need to go down to this section where it says add friend and then go to search with friend code right here. Now type in the friend code. It says enter the friend code of the person you want to register. Enter the 12 digits that follow SW. So you don't need to press in SW at all. You just need to press in the numbers. So once you type in a bunch of numbers, let's just type something in randomly and see if something pops up. I doubt it will, but let's go to OK and see if there's a user for that random thing. Unable to find friend. So make sure you have the correct user code, and then you can send a friend request to that specific person. Otherwise, you have other options like search for a local user. If they're next to you with their Nintendo Switch, it's very easy to add them. Search for users you played with. And you may have played with someone in a game. Just select their name and then add them as friend. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.